Hey guys, Michael here. Welcome back to another Apps Every Day, and today we're checking out the Zillow app. If you're in the market to rent a new house or buy one, this is a fantastic app to see what your options are. Basically, it looks at your different locations, and of course, you'll see the big map here. And basically, all these purple dots are different options within your set parameters. So at the top, you can search a specific different location here, so I can choose all of Columbus if I really wanted a wide spectrum. The blue line basically shows the borders of that city, which I never realized Columbus has such a insane structure, but that's fine. And then you can choose something that's for sale, so you can buy recently sold if you're kind of just doing market research and you want to see what homes or whatever are selling for in the area. Or like in my case, a lot of times we rent. And so then you can put in your specific budget, put what type of house you're open to, and then you have a bunch more options here. So if you want to get into specific bedrooms, how many bathrooms, we have pets, on-site parking, unit laundry. And yeah, so you can get pretty detailed here with filters. I can apply those. And again, as I'm zooming in, I can see different options. So for example, when I zoom in, I can see the relative price point. So if I find a cluster of them here. So for example, if we go into here, we can generally see, okay, this is, $1,800 a month, this $1,100. And if we tap on them, we kind of get quick views. So I can swipe, and it's going to basically go in order of just whatever's nearby. And of course, if we see something that we like, say I like this one, of course I can favorite it at the top. I can tap on one of the pictures and it will bring up all of the options here. Anything under saved, you can go in, and of course you can check these out for later. Now for pretty much any homes that you choose, of course you get the basic information. So I can see this was an old one that I just favorited for fun last year or so, and I can see that it was sold. I could see it on the map. You can kind of look at current rates again if you wanted to see what market research and things like that would be. You get the general gist and summary of the house. And then I really like kind of how they lay out all the basics up top for the fact and features. See when it was built. You can see all the estimates. You can see what nearby schools look like. Now if we go to something like an apartment, for example, that's going to look a little different. So if I swipe up here, I can see how long it's been. And then these are going to have different things just because apartments, they have to designate more about pets, where parking, if it's in unit laundry and all that stuff. So I can hit see more facts and figures. And some places obviously put more info than others, so these guys have really kind of filled out everything. So yeah, so you can definitely get all the details of any homes or apartments that you're looking to rent, and you can even apply straight from the app, which is nice, or contact the property if you had any questions that you wanted to ask. Now another cool feature is if you go under the Your Home, if you currently own a home, you can add it into here and constantly track its value and see what the houses around you are looking like. Now, I don't own one, so can't do that, but if you do, very cool. And under the More option, you have a bunch of different payment calculators, affordability calculators. So if you're looking, again, in the market to buy, you can kind of go in here and see what your options are based on your own finances. You can also do touring open homes. So if I tap on that, I can see that there are a handful of nearby ones. But yeah, that's taking a quick look at the Zillow app. If you guys have any apps that you want to recommend, don't forget to comment them down below. Get subscribed and come back tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.